Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Google Sheets. I'm going to show you how to apply a formula to an entire column. So as you can see here, I've got sales for a year and I've got sales for another year. And here are our sales. Now, what you want to do firstly is you want to make sure that the data is in the right format. So once you tap on format, you can go to number and you can have it in number, you can have it in percentage, you can have it in currency, whatever the case may be, right? We're going to leave it in number for now, and we are going to click here. And this is where we would like to create our formula. We're going to start the formula by tapping the equals button, and then we are going to tap on one of the numbers. So we're going to tap here, and then we're going to say minus, and we're going to tap on there. Now what we do is hit enter, and you can see it has created this over here. Now in Google Sheets, it gives you the option that says autofill. So here it says control and enter to autofill. All right, so we can either just tap the check mark over here, or we can just tap there, and we can use this little dot on the corner over here. Make sure that your cursor looks like that, and you're going to bring this down, and now it has copied that formula in the first cell all the way down to the rest of the cells in the column. You can carry on doing this. You can bring it all the way down, and if you're entering new data in here, for example, it'll now give you the answer, or it'll complete the formula. Now, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.